Hello guys, it's Jacqueline here again. For whoever is new here, my name is Jacqueline. Welcome to my channel, and if you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe. If you're a returning subscriber, thanks for coming back. Yeah, so as you can see right now, I'm trying to make some lunch. Right now on the stove, it's tea. I'm making tea. I'm preparing my lunch and my dinner to take to work. I'm on my way to work soon. So I'm cooking. You see the tea is cooked already. So this one is for bringing to work. It's boiled. So I'll shut off the stove. And so I'll put my tea in my cup that I take to work. You see it's boiling. It's almost pouring. And guys, thanks for being there all the time and enjoying my videos. Please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet, and don't forget to comment, and we'll be in this journey together. So I have this cup here. This is the one I use normally to bring my tea to work, because it keeps the tea like 8 hours hot, the way I put it here. So I'll put it in the cup. As you can see, is the tea, and I'll put with the tea bag because I like my tea strong. Okay, so I'll just put some water there. I'll do my dishes after I prepare my lunch. So I'll cover my tea immediately. Oh, it's too full. Okay, I'll pour a little bit in the sink. And then I'll cover it. This is a very nice cup. It keeps it hot, and after you cross, you hear the snap. After you close it like that, it will take you the whole day. It will still be hot. Okay, now it's time for preparing some lunch. So what I'm doing right now, I have like 1 tomato here and 2 eggs and onion. So I want to make like tomato, onion, but I have to do the onion first. I have to cut the onion first. Olivia, sometimes she calls me onion. Why? Because she says I make her cry. Olivia is my daughter. Because maybe some people don't know. They haven't watched my show before. Because this is... Yeah, so it's Olivia is my daughter. She's 8-year-old. She is beautiful. I thank God for blessing me with a beautiful daughter. So this is onion. I don't do things on the chopping board. This is how we do in Africa. You cut it direct to the cooking pan. My pan is getting old. I think I need to get a new one. So I'll use butter to cook the onion. I'll use some butter. You see my butter. I like to use basil. It's good and it's gluten-free. Because I have gluten problems, so my things have to be gluten-free. So this one is gluten-free. If you have a problem with gluten, try this one. If you are in America or Canada or UK or Germany or whatever, if you are, yeah, because I know they don't have this back in Africa. They don't have this back in Kenya. Because when I go to travel to Kenya, I have to bring my own from here. It's a gluten problem. Whoever, some people, they might ask, what kind of disease is that? It's not a disease. It's like I'm allergic to wheat. I'm allergic to wheat, like the way you can be allergic to peanut, you can be allergic to milk, you can be allergic to other things. So just cook this. I just put there for the onion. I don't know why I used butter today, because I was cooking. I like to cook my egg with butter. But I'm cooking egg anyway, but I will show you how to make this quick lunch within only 5 minutes. 5 minutes lunch. 5 minutes lunch. So as this one cooks, I'll get the egg. This is how you crack your egg. That's how we crack the egg. And I'll eat 2. You know, it's because I'm doing the video. Sometimes I like to eat 3 eggs at once. I know. But I eat only maybe 3 eggs in a month. I don't like eat too much egg. I know some people always say, oh, the doctor said you can eat 1 boiled egg every day. I don't believe it. It's too much cholesterol. Please. I don't think it's good to eat. It's good to eat like an egg a day. No. 1 egg contains 180 milligram of cholesterol. Is it milligram or gram or whatever it is? I don't know that math anyway, but I'm just trying to save you. So my onion is cooking. As my onion is cooking, I'm trying to clean up my tomato here. As I told you earlier, if you watch my previous video, I like to use a lot of soap. I wash dishes. I wash everything because of this gluten problem. Because if something is contaminated, it will make me sick. It will make me very sick, and I don't like it. So I have to be very careful with whatever I do. Mostly even I can't eat in the restaurant because I don't know what it is. Maybe they contaminate. Yeah, they may have cooked properly, avoiding wheat and everything, but the contamination. You touch that little grain of bread, and it's in my food. I'll be sick for a week. So as you can see, I told you I'm not using no chopping board. I'm going to work. I'm trying to avoid dishes. So I'll just cut my tomato direct to the onion. Okay? And then I'll use some salt just to taste, not too much. And then I'll cook the tomatoes until it's cooked. And when it's cooked, you know what I'll do. And I got my rice here already. I got some food here already. Yeah, I warmed it in the microwave. It was leftover. It's just plain brown rice, as you can see. Plain brown rice. I like to eat brown rice. Yeah, trying to be healthy. Good. When you are 40 and above, you have to take care of yourself. But you have to start early. Otherwise, you can't come and change your behavior when you are old. You have to start early so that you'll be healthy. You'll be healthy for your family, for yourself, for your kids. Okay? So let's see how this goes. So as that one cooks, I put the heat a little bit low because it's cooking fast. And then I got my egg over here. Remember, I put 2 eggs here. I'll just put a little salt too. Just a little, not too much. And then, hey, nowadays, I tell you, I'm so serious with this YouTube thing. I think I'm making content with everything. Even when I want to eat, I still want to. It's only that I can't be eating on the camera. But anyway, let's cook this together. This is quick lunch. Some people are lazy to cook and then they'll eat bad food. Please don't eat junk food. Make something healthy. Make something healthy and balanced diet. I have some things in the fridge, and I'm not a meat lover. I eat meat, but once a week. Other than that, I'll eat my chickpeas, I'll eat beans, I'll eat lentils, I'll eat this. Yeah, that's how it is. That's me. So the tomatoes is cooked now. I'll just pour the egg on it. I hope this will be good. I hope it will be good. Yeah, so let's see how this goes. The egg and the tomatoes. Hopefully it will be yummy. And meanwhile, as I told you, I was packing my food to take to work. Because I work later, so I have to bring my food. I already packed. Oh, this egg might burn. Just do one thing at a time, sister. And I don't know if I talk too loud on my videos. Maybe I have to start talking slowly. But I know some people, they can't hear that, so I have to, So this is how the egg is coming out. It's like scrambled egg slash vegetables / I don't know. But it's gonna taste good. I tell you. You can see how it looks. So what I'll do, I'll pour my rice in there. Sometimes people like to pour their rice in a plate like this. I don't know. And then like this. Yeah, that's a lot of rice. It's cooked. So I'll remove the egg now because I don't want it to be so dry. It has to be juicy. And now I'll put this on my plate. And that's my lunch for today. How does it look? That's good lunch. So you can just make this within 5 minutes. 5 minutes, you are good to go. And it's balanced diet. It has all what you need for your lunch, for your daily, whatever. So guys, you have to let me go. I have to go and eat this delicious food. I have to taste it. But you can't see me tasting it. Delicious. Okay guys, I will see you on the next. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and like. Thank you so much. See you on the next. Have a good day. Bye, or good evening, or good night.